Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video and it's makeup. Makeup for brown skin girls. Yes, you heard that right. Makeup for brown skin girls just like me. These are for my ladies out there. My hand ladies, yes. So, for today's video, I'm going to be focusing on a neutral brown colors, especially for the eyes. Yes, we're gonna go for a neutral brown natural makeup look. So let's get into the video. But first, what we have to do is we've got to moisturize. Yes, whether you're dry skin, combination oily, always moisturize for any makeup application because we don't want to ruin our skin, right? Because we don't. So the moisturizer I'm using is actually the ISNTREE Green Tea Fresh Emulsion Moisturizer. This is helps control excessive sebum for softer skin. I also use this for my nighttime routine. Because just when I wake up in the morning, it glows. This makeup routine, this makeup session is specifically catering to women of color, to my brown skin girlies out there. Yes. So, okay, so what I'm going to be using is this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover in the shade 108, which is caramel beige. Yes, this is my color. Actually, I wanted to go one shade darker, but then I just went with this 108. This was my shade before, so yeah. And then of course my go-to Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting palette. Yes, this is the bomb. And then I have my MAC bronzer, yes, and my Morphe palette. Yes, it's the natural colored Morphe palette. Yes, there's a lot of browns in that. This is also my go-to palette, which we're gonna use today. Let's get into the makeup session. Also, yes, I'm also going to be using this Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner of all eyeliners, I guess, of all the eyeliners I've tried. I know for us brown girlies, for us tan skin girls, we have a hard time with makeups and what to buy, shades, because there's just not much to choose from. So I'm here to help you guys out. If you guys are like my shade, you can get the 108 or a shade darker for your foundation. So let's get into it. Let's conceal first. Let's conceal the eyes. The type of concealing technique I like to do around the eyes is this one. Something like that, because once you blend that in, it'll give you a lifted cheek. It'll give you some sort of a lifted face. I will be linking the products in the description box below, just so you guys want to check these products out. Link is there. Click away. You got it. Okay, now that the concealing is in, we're gonna go for the foundation. This is just gonna be a simple neutral brown makeup for us women of color, because we just want to look good every day. Yes, this can also be like our everyday makeup. You don't have to go full out foundation time. Foundation station. I don't want to put too much foundation on, not so much of the foundation, and then we blend her in. Okay, now that our foundation is in, let's start with the eyeshadow. Yes, for our eyeshadow, like what I said in the beginning of the video, is a neutral brown eyeshadow. Yes, we're gonna go with a neutral brown eye to give it a very natural look, just for our everyday, whatabouts, everyday whereabouts, wherever we wanna go. Just use this look, get up and just use this look. It's so simple to do. What we're gonna do first is take a lighter shade. We're gonna choose this lighter shade and use that first as a base on our eyelids. Okay, so we coat that we have put that on, we're gonna go with this color. Yes, that color. We're not gonna go full out here. It's gonna be very subtle. Oh, it's looking nice. It's looking nice, guys. Any brown or neutral palette you have, just go with that. It doesn't have to be a specific brand, just whatever you have laying around, you can use that. Okay, once that rich brown is on your eyelid, we go with a lighter one. Let's try this one. Yeah, let's go with that. And put that just right above it. Okay, and then we can put in the shimmer later. Now the color in our eyes are all nice and good. It's looking nice, very natural. We go with this shimmer shade and a really golden brown to it. You can pack that in the middle. Once that's done, we can go with a eyeliner. Any eyeliner of your choice, any way you want to put your eyeliner on, but the way I'm gonna put it on is a winged eyeliner. And if you guys are like a winged eyeliner type of person, then go full on, make it longer, short, however you want your eyeliner to be. I like mine just a medium length when I'm just regular days. Okay, now that our eyeliner is done, I have that wing. Let's do our eyebrows. We're gonna fill in our eyebrows, fill in the browns. The way I like to fill my eyebrows is I like to leave this looking natural and just fill just the tail part of my eyebrow. Okay, looking fresh. And then we give ourselves a nose line, because who would want a nose line? Okay, our nose line is done. Let's give ourselves a contour. I'm gonna be using this MAC. I just like the shade of it. There's also going to be no baking in here, so this is just like our go-to makeup. Just whatever you have lying around you can use. Also, the lipstick we're going to be using is a natural lipstick also. Whatever natural lipstick you have, just go for it. Okay, give ourselves also a natural blush. I'm going to be using this one from my Pro Sculpting palette. It's this color. It's a very peachy color. But then we'll try something with this one. We'll do a across the nose blush. What I can say with a blush, I think a peachy color, like a rose peach mixture, is very good for tan skin. So I suggest that one. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Let's give ourselves a highlight because we want to look extra. I know this is an everyday look, but a little extra won't hurt. Yes, I'm going to be using this one as my highlight up there because I think this one pops out really well. Yes, you see that. Pop a shimmer. Now for the lipstick. Okay, the lipstick I'm going to be going for is this Sunny Space in the shade Mood. This is my natural lipstick. Okay, guys, our look is done. But so this is our look, guys. It's very natural. You can wear this every day. Like, wake up in the morning, get whatever you have on your desk, whatever makeup you have on your desk, and just go natural with it. I suggest a neutral browns. I suggest to go with browns because for us tan girls, for us women of color, browns really go well with our brown skin. It's just brown on brown goes so well. It just looks like oh so natural. You don't have to even try. Okay, so that's the look, guys. I hope you like it. Just comment down whatever you guys want to comment down. Give this video a nice thumbs up if you're loving this video already, if I have catered to your needs. So yeah, on that note, please guys subscribe to my channel, subscribe, click that bell, follow me on Instagram because why not? Yes, like this video if you're loving it. Comment down below whatever you want to comment down, whatever suggestions you want me to do. Just hit me up, whatever like makeup challenges or tricks, techniques you want me to try. So I'll try them for you. This is the exploration station, guys. Explore with me. And I'm down because I'm down to try. So yeah, thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next video.